Hello guys, my name is High Pitch Freaknik. What up? How you guys doing? Today's gonna be a speed burping video. Yesterday I was looking at one of the comments in one of my burp videos and a kid said that when I burp, maybe the faces I make I look kind of demonic, but he says it was still funny and hilarious. But he also wondered how many burps I could do in a minute. So the main part of this is to do my quick those burps, but in a whole minute. So I'm gonna get my phone, I'm gonna set a timer for 1 minute, I'm gonna start it, and after the video is done, I want you guys to comment how many burps you think I did. So let me get my phone. Okay. Just gonna set a timer. Alright guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. X. I really think this is a lot. Victory finish. Woo! Oh, I still got 0.4 milliseconds left. Let me get the burp. Okay. Now I'm done. Man, that made my stomach feel all weird inside because that's a lot of air going through my body and building up in my stomach. Like, that last one right there that I just did, I almost puked because it was just like, hold on. Now I feel better. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment how many burps you think I did. Tell me if you like it. Share my videos with other people. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys next time.